Hey folks, how's it going? I got a really different video for you today. Come on over. We're gonna tune up the freeze mess outside, and I'm very excited about a new sponsor. How about a first sponsor? We got some highlights and footage of this incredible Seesii pole saw, or in this case handheld saw, and we're gonna show you quickly through how it works. Okay guys, hey, look at this nice packaging, all padded. We'll get this all out for you. Instruction guide, the reach pole with extension 2 times, the battery pack, which is the battery. There's no extra charger. Plugs right straight in, nice. 4,000 milliamp. Here's the bag of parts. Here's the handheld saw with the case and the guard on top. You see there. Cordless. Extra chain. They sent a carry strap, even a pair of gloves and protective goggles. Guys, I want to tell you, in 6 years of doing YouTube and all kinds of crazy offers, they come in daily. Seriously, every day there's a new one. We have never taken a sponsor that could represent us in our show until now. This guard is on top. Look at, take this one off. You'll never have to have your hand near the chain. There's a chain guard setting. Okay, here. You'll want a little bit of slack in the chain like this. And check out the battery system here. This is not a clumsy charger. It just plugs in. Each battery has its own port, and we can check it here. 4 grains, it's fully charged. We'll check the other one. The pole here, if you want to mount the saw to reach high, there's 2 extensions. All right, like this. Pull it out carefully. Tighten that. Pull this out again. Clip. Check it out. Instead of the battery, the pole snaps on here. You want to hear that good click and know you're in. Down here, the battery clips on the end of the pole instead of the little handheld saw. All ready to go. Safety button, check it out. You'll see me with it outside. I'm in love. This has worked really nice. It's tough. It has a lot of heart to it. I trimmed outside for half an hour and I didn't even see the battery move from 1 bar. They included all these things that I showed. The little oil refill. Now, this does not come with oil. You know, they don't want to ship a little thing of oil and have it spill. So you come up with your own chain oil. Extra chain. I was really surprised at this. Even a Phillips screwdriver to help you adjust the chain or change the chain. Now, you chainsaw owners know that you can sharpen the chain anyway yourself with a file. The discount code is in the description box, and for a limited time you can get a good percentage off of this product. I haven't recommended anything in 6 years except this Seesii pole clipper and pole saw or handheld saw right here, guys, now. So folks, I wanted to show you also some of the little beauties that have made it through the freeze and are coming back. It is pitiful and we've gotten no rain, but here is the before on the copper plant and how big it used to be. You regulars know, you've seen it in its full glory. This has all had to be removed, but look, coming back with a vengeance, and she's going to be beautiful again. There's the new, and here is the front bougainvillea, which was as big as a bus, coming back as well. The plumbago, hardy thing, and the aloe acts like it didn't even get touched. But you get an average dead wood out of it. Geraniums going back in. Here I am cleaning up the mess you saw before, trimming some things totally out. And then this spring here is our pineapple ginger sakuma, the giant ones coming back in with some delightful peach geraniums and other phlox and petunia. This, I wish it was in bloom when I put it in. Yellow roses. Here's the poinsettia coming back, and of course the trailing geranium, which I love. That is meant to hang, that's why it's called trailing. There's a standard red and the beautiful petunias along the wall too, with the agapanthus, waiting for those blooms, but they lived. Polka dot plant, a favorite here, just as sweet as can be. Here is some of the mess again. And then our pink, delicate little bougainvillea coming back that was in this pot. I'm so happy that it's alive, and she'll be bigger than ever with some care and love and some food and water. We have gotten hardly any rain. The only rain we've gotten in a month is when I went to film the video, of course. Then we're going to get some rain. Here is the angel wing begonia. I've got to trim her back and actually I want to start some new ones with her. She took a whipping even though I had it covered, but she is in bloom now. Just pretty. Our usual. There's an added sign we needed. Bad around here. And the Asian jasmine as before. The rock crop is flowering, and the echinacea, superb. Love the terracotta angel. And the wisteria climbing up the cypress. She is really doubled. This puts a smile on my face. This is the Hawaiian tea that was absolutely destroyed from the freeze, but she's coming back. Here we are again, showing the oil level on the saw, the handheld, and you want to pump that bulb to get that oil out onto the chain. That's the big deal. Keep that oiled and you'll have no problems. There's the tension on the chain you want. Not too tight or you'll hurt the motor and the guides. I'm showing a bigger cut here, and you want to keep that saw as close to the log as you can. If you run a big chainsaw, you guys know that anyway. That's where your power is, right by the motor. If you're running a bunch of big things on the end of this, or the tip, you're gonna just gouge that guide out, and it's not gonna be as... Here's a sizable piece to show. And then the big bougainvillea coming back. Put a smile on your face. Here's some of my work. And the beautiful spring flowers that are coming back. Folks, hopefully you enjoyed a different take here in the garden cleanup, and we're dying to show you more. Here's the Chaflura coming back. The Purple Queen is wonderful, and of course the Passion Flower, hardy little soul. We'll show you more as soon as we can. Look at this rubber tree. I think it would grow on Mars. And the wonderful hybrid petunias. Take care now, everybody. Be happy and have fun in your garden, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, folks. Take care.